So styling is the default color. So the default color of the, see here in this better education for amazing world is there, right? So that education color is orange. So this color. So if you want to, if you change that color, this color will be changed. The font color, the primary color of the font will be changed. Okay. Now we'll click on the default. Yeah, the default becomes the blue only. Yeah. Okay.
But I want this one.
Okay. Fine. So just leave it like that.
Okay.
Okay, and then secondary, primary color, what you want, you can change to that. Select background type. So these sometimes these are all the default one. You can just okay. Now if you publish it, you go top here on the right hand side. Okay, on the
yeah, I think only this small button here changed.
Yes, that has changed. That is the primary color which is changed. Do go down. You will have to. Okay, on the left hand side, this open day Saturday. Left hand side, the icon is everything changed to yellow. So here the education color has changed to yellow, which you have given. The better education. Yeah. So that is the primary color, and that button, yes, apply now button has changed to primary color. So wherever there is a font color, primary font color will change to yellow. Every color will be changed to yellow. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So now you can go back from the styling.
But it's you cannot see what exactly is the primary color on the website. You have to change the colors and then see what happens.
Yeah, because primary color is the theme color. Theme, as per the theme, they have changed, given as a primary color. So if you want, you think that okay, instead of orange, you want like what you have changed as yellow, so you can change it to yellow. So sometimes what happens is people might have the logo color is different. So I want to have all the complete website with the theme of a logo color. So you can change the primary color to the logo color, so that wherever there is changes in that font, it will match with the logo color. So now we can just click on the left arrow button. Arrow styling is there. Just click on that. Go back to the not that the top. Okay. So now we'll go back to the next option. Yeah. So typography. So typography is the font size and the color. So what font family you want to give. So there is a drop down there. Now the default is HIPAA. This font family, the first one. If you want to change the font family, you can just click and select from the drop down. Yes. So you want to change anything, it will get changed. The whole complete website's font will be changed to any of this.
Are all these fonts free to use?
Yes, these are not free to use. So with the theme, with the theme, whatever comes, it will be free to use.
They're all pretty similar.
Yeah. No, pretty similar means you have to just publish it to see the changes.
Okay.
It is almost the same, so not much difference.
So to see the difference, you always need to publish it first.
Yes. Because you have just chosen it, but if you see the changes, you need to publish it.
Okay.
So, and typography is font family, like other colors and all, you won't change it. Then, what I suggest is, unless and until it's really required, we can change the default color. Otherwise, because we have chosen this as per our visualization, the theme. So we have to just change, okay, few things like color of the combination, color of the font, or the background color, if required, if you think that, okay, your good visualization is there, you can change it and then check it out. But I suggest is always before changes, keep the original thing written down somewhere. Okay, this was the original thing, because getting back to original after making the changes sometimes it gets messed up. So before only you make the changes and then see whether it is visible or not here. Okay. So now just go back to font family we have done, and everything is typography is done. Then we have extra features. If it is F1, click on the extra features. It is like it support smooth scrolling, all these things. If it is on or off, you have to do it. So on top, open. So these are the default things. So which we, if required, we can go for it, or default is more good enough for extra features. Okay. So now let us go back.
What do these extra features do precisely?
See, this
the Google theme. What happens?
Yeah, when you go on the Google theme, see what is saying, the set position back to top right. So these themes are for the extra features along with the web WordPress theme. You can just click on and then see how it looks like. So this go down. So this one is there, no? This image. So this is when you actually load the website. So you have this one, right? This one it will come that right the bottom. So if you want to change that, so you can just click on preloading option also is there. Select something else. Okay, now let us go to your website. Let's go to the website. Go to the website in the tab. Yeah, just click as refresh it. So now this is the preloading, right? That line comes. So if you want to change that to something else, you can select it here. You can select any of them. Yeah, you can click on that or. Okay. So when you publish it and then you refresh there, instead of this line, you can see that one. Yes. Good. You are getting hang of it. Yeah. Can you see it?
Yes, I've seen it.
Yes. Good. We are getting the hang of it faster. Great. So this is how, if you want any changes there, you can go there and then change it. See, why we need preloaded changes is sometimes what happens is it is aligned with our logo. It looks good as per the logo. So people go with the different changes there. Or if you go down, come down to the preloader. So there is an option of custom image also. Sometimes what happens is we can give our logo only there, image. So click on that custom image. Logo, okay. Select it. It is selected. Got it? So you can also like you can create an icon for your own company or logo icon, and then it will show there. Because it is just a simple image, it will just show the image and then just display and then fade out. Marek, you are getting hang of it very fast. Very good. Good job. So now we'll go back to the main menu. Yes. So now again go back. General we have finished. Yeah. So now the header. So when you click on the header, so here it is saying the again the layout, how you want the layout to be. So now the layout is this way. So how you want, you can change the layout as per the requirement also. So like how you want the menu. Now the first one is there on the left hand side logo, right side menu, and then again second one is there. So you can change and then see how it plays. Maybe you can just check on the third one. Yeah, you can click on that and then see how it looks like. I think it is almost same. Yeah, it is not same. It is the right hand side apply now became to the right hand side, right? So here the top bar has gone. It's not top bar. The changes and it came to the left hand side of it.
But it seems that the second and the fourth one is the same. When you click on them, it looks different.
Yes, exactly. So the background color and all, you can change it. Now it is transparent, so it is just merging with the background. If you give a color, the whole header will get a color. You can try that and then see. Click on that and then give a color.